Hello students, today we are start a new topic. The topic name is pancreas. You know that pancreas is a heterocrine glands. Heterocrine are those glands which have the properties of the exocrine or as well as the endocrine glands. Exocrine are those glands which have a ductile system, where endocrine glands do not ductile systems. And we see that the pancreas is a leaf-like structure and associated in the between lies between the C-shaped duodenum, and the wider part of the pancreas is known as the head, and the narrow constitutive part is known as the neck, and the middle parts or known as the body or ending part is known as the tail. And according to size, length of the pancreas is 12 to 15 centimeter, where is the breadth 3 to 4 centimeter, or the wideness of the pancreas is the 1.5 to 2 centimeter, and the total weight of the pancreas is 80 to 19 grams. यहाँ पर 80 to 19 grams. And pancreas have the ductile system. These ductile system also directly connected to the liver. Liver is the largest gland of the body, and liver is the divided into two part by the falciform ligament. जो falciform ligament होता है liver से connected होता है, and liver is divided into the two parts, the left part and the right part. The duct arises from the left liver is known as the left hepatic ducts, and the duct arises from the right part is known as the right hepatic ducts. And liver have a balloon-like structures. Liver have a balloon-like structures is known as the gallbladder. Gallbladder store the prepared bile juice, and the gallbladder contain a duct. That duct is known as the cystic ducts, and all collectively three ducts like left hepatic duct, right hepatic duct or cystic ducts. These are the commonly adjoining the place that known as the bile duct. Bile ducts behind the C-shaped duodenum associated with the pancreas and open into the major pancreatic duct. You know that the duct behind from the duodenum are connected to the main duct of the pancreas, and the ducts are open into the part of the duodenum is known as the ampulla of Vater. The ducts are arise of the ampulla of the Vater, and these ampulla of Vater connected a muscular structures, contain a muscular structure surrounded by the ampulla of Vater. These muscles is known as the sphincter of Oddi. Clear this point? The ducts are open into the ampulla of Vater, and the ampulla of Vater also covered the muscular structures that know the sphincter of Oddi that control the flow of pancreatic juice. And we are talk about a minor ducts, that is the minor papilla. Minor papilla are arising in some pupils during the pancreas formations, like a bud-like structures during the formation of the pancreas. So minor papilla is the small structure that are directly open into duodenum. And you know that the pancreas is a leaf-like structures contain the two types of the glands and the two types of the glandular cells, which are the acinar cells or the islets of Langerhans. Now we are discussing the first of all, what is the ductile system? So the starting of the main duct. So these are the main pancreatic duct. Main pancreatic duct are from the one point to wider into the separate throughout pancreas, and the branching part. The first branches is known as the branches arise from the interlobar duct. Interlobar duct, and the interlobar ducts also open into interlobular duct. Interlobular duct, and interlobular ducts all open into intercollected ducts. And repeat again, the main ducts are open into interlobar ducts, and interlobar ducts also open into the interlobular ducts, and interlobular ducts are open into the directs of the cells of the acini cells, and these acini cells directly open to the lumen. This part is known as the lumen. This part is the lumen, and the lumen have the intercollected ducts. In the lumen and the surrounded by the different type of the cells, these cells shape have the pyramidal shape. These pyramidal shape have the narrow part in the inside and the peripheral region with the wide parts, and have the special types of the cells which secrete the pancreatic juice, and we are zooming the portion of the one pyramidal cell. This is pyramidal cell have the narrow part. These have the narrow parts, and these outer part of the periphery region. The outer part of the periphery regions is the broader parts. And these cells are the different type of the cells organelle, like nucleus, endoplasmic reticulums, which contain ribosomes, especially ribosomes, and here there is the cytoplasm. And these are the lumen type of the ductal systems, is known as already the Golgi bodies, because when the preparation of the pancreatic amylase, the modification of the pancreatic amylase by the Golgi bodies, and secrete the vesicles. Vesicles have the main enzymes that help in the digestion of food and control the metabolisms. And now discussing about the acinar cells. These acinar cells have different types of the enzymes. These acinar cells have the different type of the enzymes. These enzymes have the two types: the exonuclease enzyme or endonuclease enzymes, which have the divided the outer part of the polypeptide chains is the exonuclease, and divided the middle part or any place is known as the endonuclease enzymes. So these have the different types, the enzymes produced by the pancreatic juice. The pancreatic juice, the important functions of the pancreas, of the ductal system, the acinar cells. Acinar cells produce the enzymes. The enzyme's name is the chymotrypsin. Chymotrypsin or the different types of the enzymes are in the inactive form. You know that the chymotrypsins is known as the inactive enzymes. all these enzymes produced by the pancreas are the inactive form because they are the activated form. They dissolve or destroy the pancreas. So pancreas is released the inactive form juice of the pancreatic juice which have the chymotrypsin released in the lumen of duodenum. And the lumen of duodenum have the mucus cells, the surrounding the wall of the duodenum release the activate the enzyme chymotrypsin into trypsin. And again the inactive enzymes comes from the pancreas, and here is the mucus cells release the mucosa which have inactive enzyme chymotrypsin into trypsin. And these trypsins also all enzymes activation. These trypsin activate all enzymes. And this is for the have the inactive formations like the neutralizations. And further the cells of the islets of the Langerhans. Islets of the Langerhans cells have the 4 types of the cells. We are now discussing the detailed lectures behind the discuss about the insulins. So it is the minor informations about the islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans have the 4 types of cell: alpha cell, beta cell, delta cell, and PP cell. And the functions of the alpha cell: secrete insulin, where beta cells release the glucagon, and PP cell or delta cells have released the inhibiting enzymes that control the oversecretion of the enzymes. And we are discussing about all about the pancreas. If you have any questions, write in the comment sections and continue for our next coming lectures. Thank you.